Ciao everyone! Welcome to my channel, Ana's Passion! Fan ba kayo ng fast food chicken nuggets? If love nyo kumain yan, panoorin yung tong video ko hanggang sa huli at makakagawa kayo ng homemade chicken nuggets better than takeout. So, let's get started! Ito ang mga ingredients. 500 grams ng boneless chicken breast, 80 grams ng bread, 50 grams ng white or brown onion, 1 tablespoon ng mustard, 1 teaspoon ng salt. At para naman sa butter, 80 grams ng flour, 80 grams ng milk, 1 egg, and salt to taste. At syempre, kakailanganin natin ng breadcrumbs and cooking oil. First, i-prepare natin ang ating butter. Unahin natin sa egg. Milk. Ilagay ang flour. At salt. Pwede din kayong maglagay ng kahit anong seasonings ng trip ninyo. Pwede nyong gawing itong spicy. I-whisk natin ang butter until maging smooth ito. Pag na-reach ng level na yan, takpan ng cling film, i-refrigerate natin then proceed sa next step. Hiwain na natin ang ating chicken breast. I-check nyo ng mabuti if for real talagang boneless siya. Kasi yung akin, meron pa rin akong nakuhang 2 buto sa loob. At ang panghuli ang ating onion. Pag ready na lahat ng ingredients, let's start i-mix sa ating food processor. Pagsasabay-sabayin lang natin lahat ng ingredients natin sa loob ng ating mixer. I-mix ito hanggang maging pinong-pino na ito. After nyan, i-transfer lang sa ating bowl. Basain ng mahagya ang ating mga kamay para hindi dumikit ang ating mixture. I-start na natin i-form ang ating mixture. Bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyong shape or size. Pero make sure, same lahat ng kapal or thickness. Continuous lang hanggang matapos. Pag natapos ng i-form lahat, ilabas na ang butter. Ilagay ang nuggets sa butter one at a time. Then, cover them with breadcrumbs. Continuous lang hanggang sa matapos ito. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more yumminess and easy recipes. Lutuin ito sa medium heat hanggang sa maging golden brown na ito. Pagluto na, ita-transfer ko sa plate na lalagyan ko ng kitchen towel para hindi masyadong oily. Ayan, ready na ang ating chicken nuggets. Tapos na ang ating special chicken nuggets. Pag ginawa nyo to, nakatipid na kayo, nag-enjoy pa ang mga kiddos ninyo. Try natin ang isa. Look. The same in fast food. Buonissimo. You must try this, guys. Nandito na naman ang aking personal critic, my husband.
Yeah. Actually,
try it.
I can't wait to eat and to taste these very, very, very good chicken nuggets. Actually, these chicken nuggets are very good for kids because I remember when I was a kid, I was very fond in chicken nuggets. And I was used to eat it with French fries, but also with rucola and with ketchup, mayonnaise, and what you want, of course. And my wife today prepared for me a very good dish, and especially prepared for me, look, a heart. So now is the first bit is for, no, the first bite is for this, the heart of my wife. A little bit of ketchup.
So cheesy.
So, try. Are not hard to do, Say to you. Try. Delicious. For kids, for adults, for everybody. Let's see. So I'm gonna say to you all goodbye. Bon appetit. In Italian is buon appetito. And let's see. Ciao.
Ciao.